Hello, I'm Yuzu, a current senior at Great Neck South High School, New York State. I am also the founder of the International Student Astronomy Organization, ISAO.
Hello, my name is Max Wang, a current junior at Great Neck South High School. I'm a member of ISAO and my role is the Director of Development and Research.
Our missions include raising astronomy awareness, combating accessibility issues, and also preparing middle and high school students well to conduct real astronomy research. We provide a lot of resources and opportunities on our website, including interdisciplinary webinars featured by college professors, JPL scientists, NASA scientists, some PhD students majoring in math, computer science, physics, and astronomy. And we also offer some free workshops opportunities and recommendations on our website. So please check out our website at www.isaoleague.com for more information.
One of our main goals is to donate telescopes to undeserved schools and communities. We have donated 15 telescopes to the schools and libraries around our nations. And today, ISAO are conducting a demonstration about how to use the telescope and how to set up the telescope. Okay, let's get started.
Yay, let's get started.
So this part is to demonstrate all the pieces inside the telescope kits. So the first one we have is an aluminum tripod which uses to support the telescope. And this piece, the large one, is a telescope lens, the telescope main parts. And this one is accessory tray, which you can put all the telescope eyepieces and all the parts on it, so you won't need to go back to the back and grab it. This is 2 eyepieces, and this one is a barrel lens, and this one is a phone accessory, where it's a phone adapters, which you can put your phones on the telescope to record some nice videos and images. This one is a finder scoop, which you can use this one to locate the moon locations. And the last one is a diagonal mirror. Yeah, and that's all. So the one I'm holding on my hands is the telescope aluminum tripod, which is to support the telescopes. It has 3 legs. Once you push the middle part down, you'll hear a click sound, means it's already stabled. And you can actually extend the leg by locking the knob on the 2 sides, so you can extend it by two times. And once you hear the click sound is locked in, and you do the same thing to the other 2 sides to extend the lens, so you have a comfortable height to observe the star. Once it's all done, you put it on the ground, and it should be in a good angle. So here is the main part of the telescope, where you can see in the bottom of the telescope, here is a groove, which match with the screw on the tripod. So once you see those 2, it match, and you place it directly on the screw on the tripod, and then you turn the thing in the bottom of the tripod and to lock this place, the telescope in place. So here you can see it doesn't move horizontally and cannot shift upwards. The only place you can move it is the handle here. You can turn it 360 degrees, and you can also turn it up and down to find the best angle to observe the star. And there is also a front and back cover. You need to take this thing off once you have the solar stars. So front one is take off, and the back one is over here, small one, the white one. And that's it. So next step, you take the finder scoop out. It should be the smaller ones, which you can see there's a leg extend outside. There's also a front and back cover. Make sure you know which one is front and which one is back, so you can better put it back to avoid some dust on it. So you can see here on the side of the telescope main parts, there is a groove too, and it matches with the protruding parts on the telescope finder scoops. So you put that in, and it's on place. So use this one to locate the moon and the star. So there is a cross lines inside the finder scoop, which I will show you later. Okay. And the next step is to put the accessory tray on the telescope. So here on the bottom of the accessory tray, here's a cover. Take the thing off, and then you will see a screw, and it actually goes to the bottom of the telescope tripolar. There's a hole in the middle of it, so you can put the accessory tray here, turn it, and then it will lock in place. Okay, the next step, you take out the accessory mirror, which you can see the triangle shape over here. and you should take out the front cover and take out the back covers. So the one that have a screw on it is protruding, is pointing outside, and the one without the screw will point inside, which connect to the main part of the telescope. So here you put it in, and you can see there is actually 2 screws on the main part of the telescope, which you need to turn it out a little bit loose so you can place it inside. And then after you putting it in, you can turn those screws back up to make sure it's tight. So here's the finished motion of it. So the last step is to put the eyepieces in. So it's a white box, which I showed you previously. There's 2 eyepieces. You take one of them out, and you see like this stuff inside, and you plug this to the diagonal mirror and plug it in. There's also a screw on the connecting parts, which you can turn it in and make sure it's tight. And that is the finished motion of the telescope. You can see here all the part here, and the fender scoop and the tripod between and the main part of the telescope. So we're currently outside. Here is the telescope. So when you ever want to see any like object like the moon or the stars, you are first of all using the fender scope to locate where the moon is. So there is a cross line inside the fender scope. So when you use your eye to look the smaller piece up here, you will see a cross line, and you need to make sure the moon and other objects are in the center of the cross line. So when you look over here, you will not miss it. So you see at least something here. And then once you locate in the right place and you look over here, the eyepieces, you look over here, you see something. But if it's not clear, you can adjust the knots over here. Like there's 2 huge knots over here. You can adjust it to make the lens larger, or it can make the moon or like other objects more clear. And so to make sure you can see the clear stuff on the moon and other planets. So when you open the bag of the phone adapter, you will see a small piece like this. It is called like the photo taker or like a photo remoters, which you can connect. So it's a Bluetooth device. You can connect to your phone, and when you put your phone on the telescope, when it's fixed, you'll not move it, right? So you click the button on here, it will automatically help you take the photo, like the thing on here. So there is a button on the side where you can see like here, the button like here. There's a button over here, and when you turn it on, actually there's a blue thing shining like this, and you see like there's something on your Bluetooth you can connect to. It's so in my phone it's called AB Shutter 3. You connect it, and when you open the camera, you just click it, and it will take a photo for you. Like when click it, take a photo, click it, take a new one. So you don't need to actually click on your phone to take a picture. So here is the phone adapters. So when you want to take a picture on the telescope, you first want to connect your phone to the phone adapter. You can see here's a clamp. You put your phone like vertically here and pull the clamp so your phone can be stuck here. The really important step is to make sure the camera lens is in the hole over here, so you can check it. It's in the hole, so your camera is actually showing up. So you can check it by opening your cameras and see there's no like black lines like this. There's no black thing over here. It's like in the right center of the opening circle. And then once it's in the center, you can turn this button to make it fixed so it doesn't move. So and then the next step is to actually place this thing on the telescope. So here you put like the circle over here to the eyepieces, and there is a button on the side, which is here. You can turn the piece over here to make it stable, to make it stuck on the eyepieces so it won't fall off. Okay, so it's stable now. Okay, so this is the most exciting part, which is taking the pictures. We can see here we just randomly pick a side of a tree and some like wires around here, and once you have those in the centers, you can actually take a pictures using the remoters. To click the remoter, it will take a picture for you, and that is the picture you want.
And that's the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching it. I hope it is really helpful for you to set up a telescope at a school, library, or a community center. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at our email or website. Our email is isaoleague@gmail.com, or visit our website at www.isaoleague.com for more information.
And lastly, I hope all of you enjoy the telescope ISAO donating to you and have some good time with it. Thank you very much for watching the videos and have a good day.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.